Hey everyone, I'm Nate Edwards, the photography manager here at BYU Photo, and I'm going to guide you through our new website, photo.byu.edu. We take nearly 1 million photos every year, and we want to make sure that you have access to them to use for whatever your needs are for work. These images are free to use for faculty and staff and student employees in your individual areas. We want you to use these photos. You can use them for your PowerPoint presentation, on your website, for social media, Christmas cards, whatever your needs are, and wherever you need to have a visual representation of BYU. So let's jump into the website and we'll show you how to use it. So here we are at photo.byu.edu. There's two different options down here, one for BYU employees and one for guest access. So the guest access is for anybody who is not a BYU employee. By clicking the BYU employee button, you'll be able to log in and get download privileges on our website. Everybody's familiar with this screen, so enter your net ID and password. So this is what the website will look like when you log in. We have Best of BYU Photo. That's where we kind of keep our favorite photos. BYU annual events, which would have events such as graduation and homecoming. BYU athletics. You'll not have download privileges for athletic photos. If you have a need to use any of the athletic photos, please contact us. Due to NCAA regulations, we have to go through athletic compliance before any of those images can be used. BYU historic photos, BYU stock photos, and the live gallery. The live gallery is where we upload in real time photos from events that we're at. So for example, if we're at a football or a basketball game, anybody can look in that gallery and see live photos from that current event. There's 3 different ways to navigate the website. You have the sidebar over here, you have the thumbnail galleries, and then you have the search feature. Let's say you need an image of campus, the Mazer building for example. Go to BYU stock photos, BYU campus photos, and here we have photos of different buildings on campus. Now we don't have every building, but we're working on that. So let's scroll down, they're in alphabetical order. We'll go to the Carl G. Mazer building. So in here, you have plenty of photos to choose from. You can scroll through different seasons. We'll click on this one right here. So for example, this is a beautiful photo shot by one of our student photographers. If you look over to the right hand side, here's the metadata for the images. You can turn that on and off by clicking this. And to download an image, you simply click this download button right here. It will ask you what image format or what size. We only offer JPEG downloads. Original size will always be the largest size. But let's say you need something just smaller for the internet or for social media, feel free to choose one of the other options. So click original file, download. Because you're logged in, it will automatically download. Otherwise, if you're not logged in, it will ask you for a password. So now let's show you how to use the search feature. Let's just say you just need a photo of a lab. So type in lab. Any photo with the keyword of lab will be pulled up. So you can scroll through, make a note down here, you have page 105. Don't forget to scroll through. All the newest photos in all of our galleries will show up at the top. So if there's something that's not there, you can check back the next month and see if there's something else that has showed up. So one thing to note with downloading photos using the search feature, if you click on one, you'll notice the download button is no longer down here. Instead, the download button is off to the side, off to the left, along with the metadata over here. Also down at the bottom, you'll see the keywords that are associated with this image. So you can actually click on these. If you want to see all of the images from the College of Engineering and Technology, click on that. And it will gather all of the images with that keyword that you can scroll through as well. So let's say you want to download this photo. Click download. You can pick the size again. We just need something medium sized, so we'll click that. Notice that it downloads immediately. You can also use the search feature up here that has just a few more options that you can go through to help narrow down your search. Go back to galleries. We are aware that we have holes in our stock photo galleries and we don't have everything covered yet. Now we'll keep adding photos monthly, so be sure to check back. Now if there are images that you don't see on our website, please contact us. We have an archive of millions of photos that we can look through and see if there's one that meets your needs. If we don't have the photo that you need, that's good information for us to know. We want to provide you with high-quality photos so you can represent BYU in the best possible way. Again, we've provided this resource for you because we want to share our photos to help you in your work. These photos don't do any good sitting on our computers, so please use them. So stupid.